Hello guys, this is Arshad from technology.net. So in this video we are going to unbox the BM-800 microphone. So I ordered this one from AliExpress around about 3 months ago. So I received it now, and now we are going to unbox it. I have opened this parcel, so we will just unbox it from the box. So the parcel is broken, as you can see. Here you can see I got it from AliExpress. So now we are going to open out it from this package. So guys, from inside this is what we got. So now we are going to unbox it. So we got this manual first. This is manual from BM-800. So this is the microphone. This is the actual microphone, and we also ordered the complete kit with it. So this is the BM-800. You can see. So we will put it on the side. So we also got this sponge with it, and we got this clip and also this sound adapter with it, and we also got this stand. We got this stand with it. So let's just put it on the side, and we also got this filter. So I will do another video with how to set up this on the table, and I will also show you the power supply. I just can you pause the video pause kar bande kar. And guys, I also ordered this power supply separately for it. So this is the Phantom I think power supply. This is the Phantom power supply. So I also ordered this on the AliExpress. Here it is I think around about 6,000 or something, but I got it in a very decent price from AliExpress. The one thing was that I have to wait for it, so I just wait 3 months to get it. And we also got this adapter with it, and also got this free cable. So yeah, this was the best deal. So guys, this was it, the BM-800 microphone. Hope you like this video. So please like and subscribe to my channel TQD.